Okay, this time we're going to be focused on power, time, lights, and fixing the door issue. Okay, so last time we realized that like if you run the scene, you could just spam the doors, and we don't want that. What you want to do is the door button right, data, set variable, and I already set it. It was door right close animation. Set it to 0. And when tapped, if door right close animation equals 0, I'm going to broadcast it or change variable to process rate. And then we're going to go to the door right. We're going to copy this one, delete the show and these. And then we're going to put variable door right close animation to 1. That way, when you play it, actually, hold on. We're going to do the same thing for the door opening until door right close animation, copy brick to 0. You're going to do this for both of them. That way, when you go to office, you can't spam it anymore. So, which is a good thing. So, no more spamming doors. Then we're going to do the same thing with the left. Set variable. Door left close animation. Door left close animation to 0. When tapped, if door left close animation equals 0, then you're going to broadcast it. And then you're going to go to left, the same thing, the copy. And then add the left close animation to 0 or to 1. Copy and then go to 0. You know the deal, you're going to set it like that. And then when we load it, you can't spam this one either. You might notice I added the windows because I know most people are going to want to have the character visible. So that's what we're going to do now. Next, we're going to put the light button. And I'm just going to look at the door button scripts. Okay, it's the 125, the usual. Size 2, 125. Oh, replace visually. There we go. As well as this one, you're going to want one that's on. Okay, now we should have it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the scripts from this one. But first we got to set the variable door light on. Set variable door light on to 0. And I'm going to rename it. It's going to be left door light on. Left door light on. When tapped, set variable to 1. And when left door light on equals 0, it's going to switch the look to dark. And then it equals 1, it's going to switch it to on. Oh, I know I'm messing something up. It's change. I forgot. Change variable left door light on to 1. And then when left door light on is greater than 1, it's gonna set it to 0. Yeah, see, there we go. And then we're gonna copy the other button. It's gonna be the right one. Rename right. And then you're just gonna change this to where it's right. So yeah, you should have it all changed now, except the position. Oh, I'm gonna run it real quick because it's not gonna appear the same size when I place it. Now place visually. There we go. Nice. Okay, what we're gonna do is gonna set the light to flash when it's on. So I'm gonna go to the gallery. Where's the PNG? There we go. It's gonna be left door light or door light left. This will be behind the office. Um, but first I'm gonna cut it in half. You'll see why in a second. Okay, so place visually. You should be able to cover this spot and then put it behind the office. So when we see it, it should be pitch black. Then you're gonna copy. Actually, we're gonna get done with the script. You're gonna hide, or not hide, you're gonna show when becomes true, which is when left door light on equals 1 is true. You're gonna repeat until left door light on equals 0. And you're gonna change transparency by random value 0 to 100. And then it's going to transparency to 0. It's gonna do the same thing when you start it up. And then I think when you oh, okay, so I figured it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna set a new variable, which is left door flicker. It's gonna set to 0. Then when left door light on equals 1, you're gonna set left door flicker to 1. When left door light on is greater than 1, you're gonna set it to 0. When left door light on equals 1, repeat until left door flicker equals 0 is true. Set transparency to random value 0 to 100. Wait 3 seconds, and then when left door light is greater than 1, you're going to set transparency to 0. And when you do that, it's going to flicker. Then when you turn it off, it's going to turn pitch black. Flicker and then black. Awesome, right? I know, I'm smart. So you might want to put the epilepsy warning in the front or the start of the game, which I might show you what to do. Okay, now same to do with the other one. Copy. It's gonna be door light right. Door light right. And then I'm gonna do. So I think you could flip it. Yeah. And then you're just gonna change everything to meet the right door. There you go. Just change it to right. And then, oh, I think I did something wrong. Could it be because I forgot to change something to right? Right door light on equals 1. Now if I do it, oh, I'm doing something wrong again, aren't I? Okay, yeah, I think I know what I did wrong. Yeah, there you go. So if you turn them both on, they're gonna flicker. But we don't want that because in the original game, when you turn one of them on and then you turn another on, the other one will turn off. and we're gonna set it to where it does that. It's because I didn't change this one. Uh, this one because you can't see my mouse for some reason. So okay, here's what you're gonna do. One tap if right door light on equals 1 is true. It's gonna be if else. If right door light on equals 1 is true, then change the left door and the right door. Else, just change the left door light on. That way it only changes the left one. That way, if the right door is on, it'll also turn it off. So when I do this, it'll turn one off. I think there's also a glitch to where when you only one will work, and I don't know why. I'll probably make a different one about fixing that, but now we'll focus on the power. Okay, power. Oof, that's really big. I think it's fine like that. I think. We're going to set size to 60%. What will 60% look like? Okay, yeah, so that should be fine. Let me just place visually. If anything, we'll move it if we don't need it later. Guess we'll place it right here. And then set variable power to 100. 100. And then you're going to show variable. Pick color to white or whatever color you want. I'm going to make it white. Then I'm going to place visually. Oh, maybe I should fix this real quick. Power percent 0%. There we go. So if you go to currency and office, it should be 100. Oh, I did it wrong. Set variable power, not door status. There we go. Now we gotta make sure it goes down. So this is just a test. When the scene starts, if it be power status, if power status equals 1 is true, then not set variable, change variable. I think it's right here. No, change variable power by -1. Wait, 0.2 seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna set variable power status to 1. So let's see. Okay. Oh, I think it's repeat until. It's gonna be delete. Repeat until power status equals 0. No? Okay, let me see. Let me try to figure it out. Okay, I think I got it. When power status equals 1 becomes true, repeat until power is lower than 1 is true, and then change by 1. We're just leaving this here to see if the power even works. But we're gonna make the office change when it's 0. So when power is greater than 1, switch office to office light. And when power is lower than 1, it's going to change to office dark. So when I run it, it'll go all the way down. And then when it reaches 0, it should turn to office dark. Yeah, there we go. And then what we're going to do for now is we're going to disable this one. That way the power doesn't constantly go down. And we'll be able to set the power the consuming of power. So now we're gonna do the AM, the time. Okay, time. It's gonna be right here in the corner. Now I need to add the rest of it. Okay, when seed starts, place at this, and then repeat until with number 7. With number equals 7 is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So look, number 7 is true. Wait. (1.29 seconds). Next look. And then you're gonna set the look to 12 a.m. I did it right. It should only do it until 6 a.m. Oh yeah. I mean we missed it, but yeah, it worked. Let's look at that again. Yes, there we go. So it's going to be 1.29 seconds. It's actually supposed to be minutes. Okay, it should be 89 seconds, which equals 1 minute and 29 seconds. So it'll change the time every 89 seconds, which is 1 minute and 29 seconds. And it should be good. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the different light, because for some reason every time one goes off, another doesn't work. And I don't know what kind of glitch that is, so we're just going to start over. First, I'm going to pack this one. And then I'm going to unpack it right here. This is going to be door light left, door light right. Right. And then we're just gonna make this one all black. Doors off. And I'm going to delete. Which one did I edit? Oh, I edited the right. I'm going to delete the left one. Oh, no. Just gonna be door lights. Door lights. So when right door equals on, because unfortunately we won't be able to do the flicker without it like flickering the off one, and we don't want it to do that. So I'm gonna delete all of these. Okay. Show. And then when door light or door light on equals 1, it's going to switch to door light. No, left door light on. It's going to switch to door light left. When right door light on equals 1, it's going to change to door light right. Let me see. And then when it's idle, because if we start it, it's gonna, yeah. We need to make it grow. Set size to 25, place at 0, 0. So it should, yeah. Now we just need to make it turn off. Square for door light is greater than 1. It's going to change to doors off. You do the same thing with the right door. Greater than 1. Doors off. Okay, so yeah. You need to make it to where it's idle, it's black. How are we gonna do this? I don't know. I'm just going to... Alright, so I figured it out. Wait until right door light on equals 0 for the left door light on 1. It's going to switch to door light left. When right door light on equals 1, wait until left door light on equals 0 is true and switch door light right. So it won't constantly glitch out. See? But it will still turn the other one off. There we go. Alright, nice.